Hello and welcome to part 8. We are at the stage now where we are soon going to be taking a look at the various reports that Focus Pro has to offer. But before we do so, I wanted to show a couple more features. Firstly, the watch window. This is an automatically refreshed screen showing who is currently clocked in and who is currently clocked out in real time. Depending upon the setup, Focus Pro usually collects clockings every 5 to 10 seconds, so the watch is very much up to date. If someone hasn't clocked in for some time, I think it's more than a couple of days, their in and out time status is blank. We can of course view just specific groups if we wish to. The focus watch is sometimes used by receptionists to quickly determine who is currently in the building. Okay, I'd now like to show you how focus can be configured for different users. Okay, so we can see here a list of different events within Focus. Each user can be individually configured to specific tasks. For example, a user may be able to view a timesheet, but not to edit a timesheet, for example. Other items we can restrict or allow are things like restoring and taking backups, and registering employees, for example. We can also restrict a user on which groups they have access to. So this is quite a popular option. A department manager, for example, might only be able to see employees within their own department. Reports, we can restrict what reports a user can run, and also what absences they may attribute to employees. Okay, finally, and for this part, if we enter the system screen, okay, there are many parameters to enter within the system screen, usually global parameters for focus. If we look under the printers tab, we can actually add a number of different printers here. Let's add that one. Let's try again. Let's add another one. Okay. So you might notice that the top menu bar here, a fire alarm report button, has all of a sudden become visible. So what this does is when the button is clicked, an evacuation roll call report will be sent to all of the printers we have just defined. This is just one of a number of ways of producing a fire evacuation report, including one option where it is generated automatically from a clocking terminal rather than actually through the Focus software. So this completes part 8. In part 9 we'll start working through the reports.